Have you ever wondered how populations of organisms adapt and evolve over time, showing new traits or perhaps losing old ones? It is a fascinating journey of biological change. Yes, absolutely. Genotype frequencies can and do change within a gene pool. This dynamic process is a fundamental aspect of evolution and population genetics. The core reason behind these shifts lies in what we call evolutionary forces. A gene pool represents all the genes, including all the different alleles, present in a population. Genotype frequency refers to the proportion of individuals in a population with a particular genotype. When these proportions change from one generation to the next, evolution is occurring at its most basic level. There are several key mechanisms driving these changes. First, natural selection favors certain genotypes that confer a survival or reproductive advantage in a given environment. Individuals with these beneficial traits are more likely to pass their genes to the next generation, increasing the frequency of those genotypes. Second, genetic drift refers to random fluctuations in allele and genotype frequencies, particularly impactful in small populations. Imagine a natural disaster randomly wiping out individuals. The survivors might not be representative of the original population's genetic makeup. Third, gene flow occurs when individuals migrate into or out of a population, introducing new alleles or removing existing ones. Fourth, new alleles can arise through mutation, which are random changes in the DNA sequence. While individual mutations are rare, they are the ultimate source of all genetic variation. Lastly, non-random mating, where individuals choose mates based on certain traits, can also alter genotype frequencies, although it does not change allele frequencies directly. Scientists observe and measure these changes by studying population genetics. They track the frequencies of specific genotypes and alleles across multiple generations within a population. This involves collecting genetic data from individuals and then using statistical and mathematical models to analyze patterns of change. For example, by comparing the genetic makeup of a population before and after an environmental shift, researchers can identify which genotypes have become more or less common. This allows them to infer the evolutionary pressures at play and understand how populations are adapting. Understanding these mechanisms provides a powerful lens through which to view the natural world. It helps explain phenomena like antibiotic resistance in bacteria, the development of lactose tolerance in human populations, or the incredible diversity among different dog breeds, all of which are examples of genotype frequencies shifting over time due to these evolutionary forces. These are not just theoretical concepts, they are actively shaping life around us. Ultimately, the ability of genotype frequencies to change within a gene pool underscores the adaptability and resilience of life. It is the very engine of evolution, allowing populations to respond to new challenges and opportunities presented by their environment. This continuous process ensures the ongoing diversity and survival of species across our planet.